Namaskar, I am Priyadarshan and you are welcome in the State Council of Educational Research and Training, Patna, Bihar. So children, in the last episodes we started present continuous tense and how to convert the sentences of present continuous into passive voice. So we shall continue those sentences, no, or we shall continue that one. तो बच्चों, जैसा कि लास्ट एपिसोड में हम लोग प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को शुरू किए थे एंड तो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के जो सेंटेंसेज हैं उसको हम पैसिव वॉइस में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं, आज की इस क्लास में हम उसे ही पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड इन डिटेल दैट व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, नो. So, just to recap those things, let us see again the structure of present continuous tense. So, the structure is like subject plus is, am, are plus verb ing, no. It is also, you can just for doing it easily you can say it V4. So, subject plus is, am, are plus verb ing or V4 plus object, no. So, this is the structure of the sentence of present continuous. यह present continuous टेंस के वाक्यों की संरचना है. जो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के वाक्य होंगे उनकी संरचना इसी तरह से होगी. एक सब्जेक्ट होगा, फिर उसके बाद इज, एम, आर लिखेंगे, फिर वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी होगा प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. एज फॉर एग्जांपल सी, we are learning voice. We are learning voice now, no. So, we is the subject of the sentence, are helping verb or auxiliary verb, learning is the verb ing or V4, so verb with ing. So, we are learning, no. This is the helping verb and voice is the object, no, and it tells the time frame that verb. So, the whole one you can treat them like an object. So, we are learning voice now. Subject plus auxiliary verb, helping verb plus fourth form of the verb plus object, and thereafter there is one adverb, that is now. It tells us about the time. So, this is the main structure, no. यह मेन स्ट्रक्चर है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के सेंटेंस का, जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट है, उसके साथ प्रेजेंट में इस्तेमाल किए जाने वाले हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैं जो इज, एम, आर होते हैं. उसके बाद लर्निंग है जो फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब है, जिरंड जिसको आप कहते हैं, जिसमें आप आईएनजी लिखते हैं, फिर ऑब्जेक्ट है और फिर एडवर्ब है. सो दिस इज क्लियर नाउ. So, we are learning voice now. First, we shall bring the object here. So, voice is being learnt. Voice is being learnt. by us now. So object plus helping verb plus being plus third form of the verb or past participle form of the verb plus by, and subject is whatever is there. So yeah, so voice is being learnt by us now. This is the passive form of the sentence, we are learning voice now. नहीं तो एक्टिव में जो सेंटेंस है वी आर लर्निंग वॉइस नाउ, हम अभी वॉइस सीख रहे हैं, इसका जब आप पैसिव करिएगा तो ये ऐसे होगा, वॉइस इज बीइंग लर्नड बाय अस नाउ। तो वॉइस ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाता है, इज इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब है और साथ में ऐड करते हैं बीइंग जो हमें कंटिन्यूटी दिखाता है। नहीं ये दिखा रहा है, दर्शा रहा है कि काम अभी हो रहा है, इज बीइंग लर्नड, सीखा जा रहा है। लर्नड द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस बाय प्लस सब्जेक्ट। So voice is being learnt by us now. No? See the another sentence. She is planning to crack UPSC. No? So, she is planning to crack UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. To crack UPSC. UPSC is being planned to be cracked by her. No? इसी सेंटेंस को अलग तरीके से भी लिखा जा सकता है। She is preparing for the exam. The exam is being prepared for by her. Like this, we shall solve it. So, this is how we shall convert the sentences of past continuous into passive voice, children. Yeah. So, now let us see some negative sentences of present continuous tense. Let us see few negative sentences of present continuous tense. अब कुछ negative sentences जिसमें not होते हैं, इस प्रकार के वाक्यों को हम देखते हैं। See the sentence, the maid is not paying attention. No? So the maid is the subject, is not is the helping verb, not is here to indicate that the sentence is a negative one. Paying is the verb with ing and attention is the object in this sentence. No? So the maid is the subject, is not. If you put together, it becomes the auxiliary verb or the helping verb. paying is verb, ing form, and attention is the object. So, the maid is not paying attention, subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. This is how we shall construct the structure of present continuous sentence. It is in active form. ये एक्टिव फॉर्म में है बच्चों. अब इसे हम पैसिव फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. So in passive form, the sentence will be attention is not being paid by the maid. No? So this is how we shall convert this sentence into passive one. Attention, as it is the object of the sentence, is not being paid, the whole part is the verb one, and by the maid, this is the subject one. No? So attention is not being paid by the maid. This is in passive form. In active form, the maid is not paying attention. So this is how we shall do in present continuous tense. See one more sentence. Children are not playing soccer today. No, children are not playing soccer today. Football को soccer भी बोलते हैं. So children are not playing soccer today. No, so the object is obviously soccer. Soccer is not being played by children today. Soccer is not being played by children today. So soccer, again, it is the object of the sentence, is not being played. This whole part is verb, by children, subject, and today the time frame. So this is how we shall convert the active sentence of present continuous into passive voice. So now I am erasing it, and let us see some sentences of interrogative. Some interrogative sentences we shall see now. So let us see few sentences of interrogative. As for example, is she driving a car? Is she driving a car? This is an interrogative sentence of present continuous. No? So क्या वह एक कार चला रही है. This is in active form. Let us convert it into passive form. Is she driving a car? Again we'll have to pick up the object. So object is the car, driving is the verb, she is the subject, is the helping verb. No? So is she driving a car? Is, now see the object. So is a car, we add being. Is a car being driven by her? So is a car being driven by her? क्या एक कार उसके द्वारा चलाई जा रही है? So this is in passive form, children. No? So this is interrogative sentence. See one or two more sentences like are you enjoying this class? Are you enjoying this class? This is the object, and this class, it is in singular form. No? So we'll have to apply singular helping verb. So is this class being enjoyed by you? Question mark. No? तो इज सी ड्राइविंग अ कार, क्या वह एक कार चला रही है? क्या एक कार उसके द्वारा चलाई जा रही है? यह पैसिव में हो गया. फिर मैंने जो दूसरा सेंटेंस लिखा, आर यू एन्जॉइंग दिस क्लास, क्या आप इस क्लास को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं? क्या आप इस क्लास में आनंद ले रहे हैं? तो इज दिस क्लास बीइंग एंजॉयड बाय यू, क्या यह क्लास आपके द्वारा इस क्लास का आनंद लिया जा रहा है या नहीं? तो इस ढंग से. सो वी से द सेम थिंग इन डिफरेंट वेज, एंड हाउ इट कैन बी सेड, दिस इज व्हाट वी लर्न while doing active and passive voice. Yeah. So let us see another sentence. Are you not spending a lot? क्या आप बहुत अधिक खर्च नहीं कर रहे हैं? और नॉट स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट, इसका पैसिव हो जाएगा. या इसको इसमें एक और थोड़ा ऐड करते हैं. आर यू नॉट स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी? Is a lot of money not being spent by you? No? So this is how, children, इस तरीके से बच्चे हम एक्टिव से पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करते हैं प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के सेंटेंसेस को। See one sentence more from WH family. Who is writing a letter by whom a letter is being written. No? Yeah. So this part is complete one. Now we shall do some sentences of past continuous. So children, in the structure of past continuous sentence, no, what we will replace now in the present continuous, that is, am, are. So am, are will be replaced by was and were. So like this, I am writing a sentence of past continuous. Let us see it. Children were watching a movie. Children were watching a movie. So see the structure of the sentence. Subject plus was, were plus verb, ing form of the verb, that is V4 plus object. No? So this is the structure of the sentence of past continuous. नहीं, past continuous के वाक्य की संरचना यह है, जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट है, सब्जेक्ट के साथ हम was were का प्रयोग करते हैं। अगर सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो वर्ब भी सिंगुलर होगा, तो हम was लगाएंगे। अगर सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो वर्ब भी प्लूरल होगा, तो हम वर लिखेंगे। उसके बाद मेन वर्ब है ing के साथ, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट है। तो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस सेंटेंस, सब्जेक्ट प्लस was were प्लस वर्ब ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। Children were watching a movie. So this sentence is in active form. Children were watching a movie. बच्चे मूवी देख रहे थे। सब्जेक्ट बच्चे हैं यहाँ, were हेल्पिंग वर्ब है जो प्लूरल फॉर्म में है, क्योंकि चिल्ड्रन जो सब्जेक्ट है वह भी प्लूरल फॉर्म में है। वॉचिंग वर्ब है, क्रिया है, मुख्य क्रिया है, और अ मूवी इसका ऑब्जेक्ट है, जो कर्म जिसे आप कहते हैं। सो चिल्ड्रन वर वॉचिंग अ मूवी, सब्जेक्ट प्लस was were प्लस वर्ब ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। नाउ लेट अस सी इट्स पैसिव फॉर्म। A movie was being watched by children. A movie was being watched by children. बच्चों के द्वारा एक सिनेमा देखी जा रही थी. So क्योंकि a movie सिंगुलर है इसलिए verb was सिंगुलर आया. being ऐड करते हैं कंटिन्यूटी को शो करने के लिए. watched थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द verb या पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द verb, and by children here it is subject. So it is like this: object plus was were plus being plus third form of the verb plus by subject, whatever is at the place of subject. So by this way we shall convert the sentences of past continuous. Let us see few more sentences. They were enjoying pizza. They were enjoying pizza. Yeah, let us keep this much. They were enjoying pizza. So pizza was being enjoyed by them. So pizza was being enjoyed by them. वे लोग पिज़्ज़ा का आनंद ले रहे थे. पिज़्ज़ा का आनंद उन लोगों के द्वारा लिया जा रहा था. ये हम पैसिव में लिखते हैं. चिल्ड्रन वर वाचिंग अ मूवी. बच्चे एक मूवी को देख रहे थे. एक मूवी बच्चों के द्वारा देखी जा रही थी. सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन लेट अस सी सम नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेज. अब हम कुछ सेंटेंस नेगेटिव देखते हैं जिसको नकारात्मक सेंटेंस कहते हैं और जिसमें नोट होता है. तो इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, सो शी वॉज नॉट राइटिंग अ पोम इन फ्रेंच. ये पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस का नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, नकारात्मक वाक्य है, इसमें नोट है. वह फ्रेंच में एक कविता नहीं लिख रही थी. फॉर्म्स का एक्टिव है. अब इसे पैसिव में देखते हैं. A poem in French. A poem in French was not or wasn't. दोनों तरीके से लिखा जा सकता है. So a poem in French was not being a poem in French was not being written by her. Like this. See another sentence. Many people don't eat non-vegetarian food. Many people don't eat non-vegetarian food. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो मांसाहारी भोजन नहीं करते हैं. तो ये एक्टिव फॉर्म में है. पैसिव फॉर्म में होगा non-vegetarian food is not eaten by many people. नहीं, मांसाहारी भोजन बहुत लोगों के द्वारा नहीं किया जाता है. So this is how we shall convert the negative sentence of past continuous into passive voice. तो इस तरीके से बच्चों जो नकारात्मक वाक्य है उसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे पैसिव वॉइस में, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में. So this is what we learnt in past continuous tense, and the another sentences of past continuous tense we shall learn in the next episode. Till then, goodbye, take care, namaskar.